Okay, this is one of the two 3D printers I've got started here. The one thing that I kind of think turned out pretty good is that if you go to this power supply, and what I did was, you can see there's only 4 wires going out of it. The green and the black one, which will trigger this to come on, I soldered and I put in the power supply, and then I ran just 4 wires because I actually, where they were mounted, took them off inside that box, and that really eliminates a lot of the wiring to that. And so I need to put longer ends to them to reach my Arduino board. So that's where they are.